How to delete TikTok business account. To get started, I'll go ahead and open up the TikTok application. As you can see, we're now in the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. Once you are on this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, go to Account. Now, tap on Switch to Business Account. Keep tapping on Next till you reach the Choose a Category page. Here, select the category that best describes your account, for example, Art and Crafts. Then, tap on Next at the bottom. Now, add your email here to connect with your customers directly. You can also skip this step if you want. Then you can add a bio if you want or skip again. You can now try a registered business account. Now, go back to the account page. From here, tap on Deactivate or Delete Account at the bottom. Then, tap on Delete Account permanently. On this page, select the reason you want to delete your TikTok account from the suggested options. You can also skip this part if you want. Over here, you can request to download your TikTok data before deleting your account. If not, then just tick the below option as shown and tap on Continue. Tap on Continue again to confirm deletion. Now, verify your account by entering the code sent to your email. After that, tap on Delete Account. Following these steps, you can easily delete TikTok business account.